Many nurses are struggling with PTE writing, especially after the 7th August changes in PTE. But the good news is you only need 56 in writing now, whereas in other modules you need 66 each. What's happening now is that the templates that used to work in PTE before 7th of August are no longer enough. So it's not just only about templates, it's about understanding the unique approach that you need to take for the test now. If you are a prospective nurse who wants to get registered with AHPRA, guys, please take a proper coaching, because you got to know what exact techniques will work in the exam. We've been helping thousands of nurses over the last 5 years. If you want personal coaching, one-on-one coaching, 7 days, we're there to help you across our 8 campuses and overseas campuses as well. Thank you, guys. If you want to know more, send us a message or give us a call on 02 862 87293. Thank you.